What if one of the world's most legendary lens makers decided to build an entire camera? Zeiss, known for crafting some of the finest glass in photography, is rumored to be making a bold return. But this time, it's not just about optics. It's about a full camera system that could shake up the industry. Introducing the Zeiss ZX2, a mysterious new camera quietly stirring up excitement and possibly setting the stage for one of the most unexpected comebacks in photography. To understand the buzz around the ZX2, we have to look at Zeiss's history. This isn't a new player in photography. Zeiss has been defining the optics landscape since the 1800s, with lenses used in everything from Carl Zeiss microscopes to NASA equipment, and even Leica's most iconic glass. In 2018, Zeiss shocked the industry with the ZX1, a unique camera that combined a full-frame sensor, a fixed 35mm f2 lens, and even Adobe Lightroom built right in. Though it remained niche, it proved Zeiss had more to offer than just lenses. They had vision. Now, in 2025, rumors suggest the ZX2 won't just continue that story but completely reimagine it. What makes the ZX2 different? It's said to be more refined, more focused, and better aligned with the needs of today's intentional creators. In a world saturated with feature-packed cameras from Sony, Canon, Nikon, and Fujifilm, the ZX2 aims to offer something rare, a camera designed from the lens outward, built around the philosophy of seeing, not just specs. Where Sony pushes innovation, Canon builds trust, and Nikon leans on history, Zeiss offers vision. The ZX2 might not aim to be the fastest or most powerful, but rather the most soulful. It's rumored to deliver legendary image quality, a distraction-free interface, and a minimalist design that puts photography first. Let's look at the rumored specs. The ZX2 will reportedly feature a full-frame sensor, likely in the 37 to 45 megapixel range. It could use a custom CMOS sensor co-developed with Sony, potentially offering excellent dynamic range and low-light performance. Expect smooth skin tones, natural shadows, and highlight control, even without editing. The lens system may be reimagined. Unlike the fixed-lens ZX1, the ZX2 could use a modular magnetic mount with swappable Zeiss-designed primes, offering the precision of a fixed system with the flexibility of interchangeable glass. Autofocus, a weak point in the ZX1, may see a significant upgrade. We're hearing reports of real-time AF with human and animal eye detection, possibly powered by Qualcomm or Sony's Bionz XR processor. Imagine locking onto a face across a busy street. Fast, accurate, and seamless. Video specs are just as intriguing. Rumors suggest 8K at 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second, both in 10-bit color. But instead of chasing specs, Zeiss might take a cinematic approach, focusing on natural, timeless image rendering using custom color science, perhaps inspired by Ari's filmic style. Stabilization will likely include a hybrid in-body system offering at least 5.5 stops of correction, great for handheld shooting in low light or slow shutter speeds. Unlike the ZX1, the ZX2 is expected to strip away built-in editing and instead offer a minimalist, clean UI. Think tactile controls, intuitive touchscreen gestures, and zero fluff. Storage: internal NVMe SSD up to 1 TB plus UHS-2 SD support. Battery: custom high-capacity unit rated for over 1,000 shots per charge. Build: aerospace-grade aluminum or magnesium, IP54 weather sealing. Design: a blend of Apple's machining elegance and Leica's tactile charm. As for release, whispers suggest a late Q4 2025 unveiling, possibly timed with Photokina or IBC. Expect a price between $4,000 and $5,000, positioning the ZX2 as a luxury tool for creators who value craft over raw spec sheets. What do you think? Does the Zeiss ZX2's minimalist philosophy speak to you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more camera breakdowns, legacy stories, and deep dives like this, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Big news for camera lovers, especially if you're into medium format gear. Hasselblad is back in the spotlight, and rumor has it their next flagship, the X2D Mark II is dropping in June 2025. The original X2D 100C, released in 2022, turned heads with its incredible image quality and sleek design. But it's been a while, and photographers have been eagerly waiting for what's next. Well, the wait might finally be over. So, how do we know a new camera is on the way? It all began with an FCC registration labeled HB722, spotted back in December 2024. For those unfamiliar, FCC listings often give us early clues about upcoming tech before official announcements. Interestingly, FCC rules mandate that external photos and manuals stay under wraps for 180 days. Count that forward from December, and it points squarely to June 2025, making it very likely that Hasselblad will reveal the X2D Mark II this summer. Before we jump into expectations for the X2D2, let's appreciate what made the original such a standout. The X2D 100C featured a 100-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, 7 stops of in-body image stabilization, a 1 terabyte internal SSD, and Hasselblad's celebrated natural color solution. It became a dream camera for professional still photographers, especially those working in portraits, landscapes, or fine art. But it wasn't perfect. 2 common complaints were its slow autofocus and complete lack of video features. Key drawbacks in today's hybrid shooting world, especially when compared to rivals like Fujifilm's GFX series. What we might see in the X2D Mark II. We expect the 100-megapixel sensor to carry over. After all, the current model's 16-bit color depth and 15 stops of dynamic range are still top tier. But we do hope for improvements in noise control and readout speed for even better real-world performance. This is a big one. The original had 294 autofocus points, but they were slow and lacked subject tracking finesse. In 2025, AI-driven autofocus is becoming standard. A new AF algorithm with smarter, faster tracking could be the X2D Mark II's most important upgrade. The existing 5-axis, 7-stop IBIS was groundbreaking for medium format, making handheld shooting at 100 megapixel a reality. The X2D Mark II will likely keep this system, but with subtle refinements for improved stability and performance in low-light conditions. Let's talk speed. One of the biggest gripes with the X2D 100C was lag in the EVF and slow image processing. A new processor could fix this, delivering faster continuous shooting, smoother live view, and quicker file handling. This upgrade might also be the key to unlocking video for the first time in a Hasselblad medium format body. Yes, video. Hasselblad is known for its stills, but the market demands hybrid functionality. We hope the X2D2 offers at least 4K/30p video, 10-bit color, and maybe even a Hasselblad log profile for serious post-production work. Imagine filming with that legendary color science. The 1 terabyte internal SSD was already generous, but if video is added, a 2 terabyte upgrade would be ideal, especially for creators shooting on the go without immediate access to backups. Hasselblad's clean Scandinavian design likely won't change much, but a larger grip or improved button layout could make a big difference, especially for longer sessions with heavier lenses. While it's fun to speculate, it's important to remember Hasselblad plays in a niche space. Their priorities often differ from more mainstream brands. Still, the X2D Mark II could be a defining release. With competition heating up, especially from Fujifilm, the pressure is on. But if Hasselblad nails the balance between traditional image quality and modern performance, the X2D Mark II could be their most exciting camera yet. So, what features are you hoping to see in the Hasselblad X2D Mark II? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gear updates like this.